The ANC has survived 114 years today, but does it have anything worth celebrating?
Happy birthday, ANC. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We know that the ANC is the oldest liberation movement in Africa, and it has long used its birthday to build up party support and inject energy into its structures. But after losing its majority in the 2024 election, does the ANC have anything to celebrate?
It is unfortunate that the ANC is celebrating its 114th birthday after a dismal performance in the previous general elections. They should use this as a moment to reflect and to reconnect with the masses.
Now, the ANC will admit that it has lost the confidence of ordinary citizens, and that is because of rampant corruption, little to no service delivery, as well as a struggling economy. But every year during its January 8th rallies, the party promises the same thing. It insists that this is the year that things will change. But analysts are not convinced.
It's going to be a difficult time for the ANC. 2026 is going to be a challenging year.
We can't deny that the ANC played a massive role in liberating South Africa. But is that enough to guarantee its survival?
ANC is facing its biggest challenges since 1994. These challenges is primarily ideological in nature. The whole transformation framework is falling apart. It doesn't create outcomes the government want. We have seen huge corruption implicating senior officials at a number of levels. Financially, the party is in trouble.
2026 is an important election year for the ANC, and so when President Cyril Ramaphosa addresses the masses on Saturday, he needs to whip ANC members in shape ahead of what would be a difficult municipal election this year.